Hello everyone, Karn here from Classic Honda. I have a 2022 Civic Touring here. I want to take a few seconds of your time to show some of my favorite things about Civic's safety features. Hello everyone. So here we are in the 2022 Civic Touring going on a quick drive. This car has a lot to offer, to be honest. With this new steering wheel redesigned, it has very smooth drive to it. It's got a lot of safety features to offer, such as cruise control, forward collision warning system, lane departure, low speed follow, and at the side we have the blind spot recognition system as well. The drive is very smooth as compared to the 10th generation. The steering wheel feels smoother, it's easier to turn. You can also set the cruise control as you like, at whatever speed you want with the low speed follow. So whenever the car in the front slows down, this car will slow down. You can also set the distance between the car and the front. So right now I have it to 1 car setting. So I'll get as close as 1 car. Then as soon as the car in the front slows down, this car will slow down automatically. And as soon as it speeds up, it will speed up. And then it also recognizes when the car in the front goes in a different lane, and it recognizes the car further down. And also, for example, this car is coming to my blind spot, it will detect the blind spot and it will turn orange. And another feature it has to offer is whenever the car in the front suddenly stops, this car will brake for you to prevent a crash. Another feature this car has to offer is the brake hold feature. So for example, if I'm setting a red light, I don't have to keep holding the brake. The car will hold it for itself. And as soon as I press the gas, it will release the brake. As the previous generation, this car has the backup camera. The new thing they added to the backup camera is that the parking sensors are there. So if you're nearby an obstacle, it will beep telling you that, hey, you're close to that object. And there are 3 different directions of camera you can use: the 180, triangle, and downwards. Thank you for watching our video on the 2022 Honda Civic Touring. I'm Karn here from Classic Honda. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. We have more videos coming on our channel, so don't forget to subscribe and let us know in the comments below what do you like about the new Honda Civic.